Hey guys, it's Alaina here at Strand Salon, and we are back with some back-to-school hairstyles. I'm here with my daughter Ava, and we are going to show you some tips and tricks for back to school and some easy half-up hairstyles. So what I have here today is our awesome It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product and one of our detangling wet brushes. So as you can see here, we have some, Ava, turn your head. We have some gnarly snarls, and we are just going to spray some It's a 10 in there and brush it on out. Like we do at home, huh? This product works really well on wet or damp hair, but as you can see, it works just fine on dry hair as well. So we're going to start by grabbing a section of hair on the side and then another section, and we're just going to twist that around each other. Let the first section go and grab some more. And continue to do that same pattern until we reach the back. Super simple, only need a couple sections, and then we're just gonna pull out some of those sections so we can see that twist. And you may want to pin it. You can use a bobby pin, a little pin curl clip, or any barrette at home. And we're going to continue on with the other side. Okay guys, we're moving on to the next side, and we're just going to do the same thing. Start with that first section and grab another, twist them, and then pick up a section to we're just going to grab that existing section from the other side and do a little twist. Grab that elastic, okay, and secure it. So, and that is just a quick, easy style to get young children who are feisty and impatient to get their hair out of their face so they are good for school. Alright guys, so the next hairstyle we're going to do is a fun, simple hairstyle that we can do on all ages. It's just going to be a cute little braid back and a little messy bun on top. Okay. Alright guys, so we're going to come back in with the It's a 10, not so much for detangling, but for control for the braid I'm about to do. Just gonna brush that hair back to establish where I'm gonna braid. All right, and I'm just going to do a basic French braid. Just kidding, that's not a French braid, that's a Dutch braid. Okay, so we've made it to the top of the head here where I'm going to just braid just a little bit down. It's a little bit messy, but that's okay because we are going to be doing a cute little messy look anyhow. And to get a cute little messy bun on the top, we're just going to take that ponytail, separate it into two, and twist all the way down that strand. And this is the fun part. We get to pull out those twists and make it a little messy. Okay, we're going to want to have our elastic ready. I can grab one with my fingernails. There we go. And we're just going to take that twist and wrap it around itself. And secure it with an elastic. And we can just pull that bun out, fluff it out a little bit. If you have any crazy hairs, you can always pin it down. But I think that looks good for our little quick messy style. Alright guys, so that was a couple hairstyles for back to school. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks from Strand Salon.